everyone, it's Dr. Donahue. I'm also known as the root cause doctor. Have you ever struggled to fall asleep? So many individuals turn to magnesium for much better sleep, but I bet you asked me, how does it really work? Today I'm going to break this down for you, why magnesium is actually so essential for sleep, and what you need to know to use it effectively, and how you can finally achieve the deep, restful sleep that you have been so desiring and craving for. Because, the truth is not sleeping just doesn't allow you to wake up rested and start your day. Did you realize that 1/3 of the people are at risk for magnesium deficiency? I see this all the time at my clinic. And there are certain individuals that are more likely to be magnesium deficient, including people with type 2 diabetes, because they're using up their magnesium as fast as they bring it on. Those with digestive issues like Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, or celiac disease. People who actually really enjoy their alcohol on a daily basis and they drink it regularly, and anyone that has poor dietary habits. And you're asking me, well, why? And it's because they're not eating the vegetables that they actually need for their magnesium levels. And magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a major crucial role in over, I would say, 300 bodily functions. It's truly key for energy production, for muscle function, heart health, bone development, and even those of you that are under stress response. Magnesium actually helps you activate your ATP, which is the powerhouse of your cell. ATP fuels your cells and gives you the energy that it needs in each of the cells. I like to think about it as like you giving gasoline, or those who have electric cars, electric, to your body, right? That's what it runs on. It keeps your muscles and nerves working properly. It truly supports your heart because you have the electrical portion of your heart and then the physiological pumping portion. And this actually helps the electrical portion. And it actually helps you maintain your electrolyte balance. But here's the thing, while magnesium is actually critical for a healthy body, your body doesn't produce it. That means that you need to create it and eat it from a diet or even supplements. And unfortunately, due to our soil depletion, which you've heard me talk about in the past, many of us are not getting enough magnesium. Even if we eat magnesium-rich foods like nuts and seeds, leafy greens, dark chocolate, with not a lot of sugar. I said dark. That's why magnesium supplementation has really become a go-to solution. And the reality is there's so many different types of magnesium. But the ones that I want to break down for you today are magnesium citrate, magnesium glycinate. These are the two types that actually help with sleep. 3-8 is also important, but these seem to be my go-to that I use. So when it comes to sleep, these are both highly absorbable and they serve different purposes. So magnesium citrate is known for its ability to help with digestion and constipation, and it's also ideal for people that need gut support. Magnesium glycinate, on the other hand, if you're having sleep issues, it's really gentle on the stomach, making it a great option for those who are super sensitive to supplements. It helps calm the nervous system and it relaxes muscles, which is key for sleep. So I always think of magnesium glycinate as a go-to. So how does magnesium help you sleep? That's a really good question. It supports your sleep in several ways. Like, it helps you calm your nervous system. It produces relaxation by regulating the nervous system and making it easier to just unwind and fall asleep. The other piece that it does is it actually relaxes your muscles. It helps you ease tension and allows you to fully unwind right before bed. It increases GABA, and GABA is important for a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and sleep. And then it also actually lowers your core body temperature. So that's perfect for a restful night. It plays a crucial role in addressing common sleep disorders like insomnia and RLS, which is restless leg syndrome. And like that is more diagnosed than people realize. Like if your legs shake and then you wake up, you want to get tested for that. So restless leg and insomnia, it's a deficiency in magnesium, and it's really linked to poor sleep quality. And this is especially true in older adults. So research shows that taking magnesium can help you fall asleep, stay asleep longer, get into a deeper REM sleep, and wake up more rested because you've had that deeper sleep. So for people with insomnia, magnesium can be a game changer. But before we continue, I want to share with you, if you're tired of tossing and turning at night and you want a long-term solution, I highly recommend and download my Holistic Sleep Solution. This is a 5-week program that is designed to help you get to the root cause of your sleep. It's what I use, the program I use directly at my clinic for my patients, so that you can start waking up feeling rested, like building muscle, feel rejuvenated, feel like your cognition is on track so that you can live in your vision and ready to take your day on. In this program, I actually walk you through simple, natural sleep solutions and rituals that will help provide tools for you to reset your sleep cycle. So download it today, click the link in my bio, and take the first step towards a better sleep. So back to magnesium. How much of it should you actually take? Well, that's a really good question. And just so you know, I'm going to share with you levels, but please check with your practitioner because levels are all different and you want to make sure you're safe and not taking too much. So anywhere between 100 to 350 a day. And I always err on the caution, even with my patients when I prescribe anything, I err on the lower doses. And if the lower doses work, great, then don't up your doses. And then you gently titrate up. If you titrate yourself up and you start to get loose stool, which often doesn't happen with magnesium glycinate, but will often happen with citrate, then just pull back. But remember, again, it's essential to connect with your practitioner because you want to make sure that you're safe, especially if you're pregnant or you're breastfeeding or you're dealing with medical conditions like heart issues, cardiovascular disease, or even kidney problems and electrolyte imbalance. You want to know what your numbers are before you start taking these minerals. So when should you take magnesium for sleep? That's a really good question. My personal preference is about an hour before bed. I don't prefer you to take magnesium in the morning because I really like it in your bedtime routine, but sometimes people need it throughout the day so that you could split it, right? But when you take it at night when you're winding down, it just allows your body to become more relaxed, and it's not going to disrupt your sleep with digestive issues or even bathroom visits during the night. Magnesium, my friends, is very powerful essential amino acid for many bodily functions, including sleep. I'm sorry, a mineral, not an amino acid. Where did that come from? From sleep. It's not a quick fix magic bullet for everyone. You want to create a ritual that allows you to sleep. You can do that in my Holistic Sleep Solution. Please download. I have had so many great results with people downloading that. And it's the most effective natural tools you can use for better sleep. If you're looking to improve your sleep, magnesium might be just what you need, but be sure to get tested and work with your doctor to find the right form and dosage for you. You can also go to my website at simplehealthnh.com and go to products. And in products, you can type magnesium and you'll see different forms of magnesium in there. So again, if you want to learn about natural ways to optimize your sleep, check out my Holistic Sleep Solution Guide. It's transformed the sleep of so many of my patients, and I'm confident that it can truly do the same for you. Click the link in my description to learn more, and don't forget, because I want to see you again, to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below with your favorite sleep tip, and we'll get back to you. I can't wait for you to sleep more naturally, sleep soundly, and get the sleep that you deserve starting today, right now. Download the Holistic Sleep Solution, and I will see you in the next video.